Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you would love to see me get from this to this, stay tuned. Okay, here are the products I'm going to be using today, and let's get to it. And now this wig was made from some hair that I purchased off of AliExpress. I've had this hair for almost 2 years. I loved it so much. Now this video is not sponsored by AliExpress. I just love the quality of their hair. I'm going to be moisturizing my hair right now with a Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'm also going to be putting on the moisturizing lotion by BB and sealing everything with some extra virgin coconut oil. I find that it's so important to moisturize your hair even while it's in a protective style, because it helps prevent breakage and it just keeps it healthier that way. So you're taking care of your hair even though you're not wearing it out. I've been struggling a little bit from some damage from some postpartum, and I'm just trying to recover my hair, and I found that this protective styles help, as well as me keeping my hair moisturized. I will use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair as well, and that also helps prevent any unnecessary breakage. Okay, so after applying all of the products to my hair, I'm gently massaging my scalp so everything can really sit in there well. And again, I can't stress the importance of a wide tooth comb to prevent unnecessary breakage. And that's what I have been using. And then now I'm going to take my Ragtail comb just to part it off into the section that into the way that I want the wig to lay. I just find that it helps give your look less of a wiggy look and more of a natural look if your hair underneath is also parted in the same direction as your wig. Right now I'm going to be smoothing it out with a brush. I'm trying to get it down as smooth as I can to avoid any lumps or unevenness underneath the wig. I'm going to secure the sections off with a bobby pin. I'm only using 2 bobby pins. I pretty much parted the hair into 2 halves, pulled it all the way down to the nape of my neck, and then secured each end with a bobby pin. And this is how it's going to sit underneath my wig cap. It's all nice and moisturized. And what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to try to pull off a little bit of my baby hairs in the front, just to kind of give the look a little more, I'm just going to give it a little more of a natural look. And there goes my baby, Eco Styler Gel. I love this gel. It does it for me. It's not too harsh on my hair. It doesn't pull my edges out. And so what I'm doing is I'm just applying that to all the baby hairs. I'm using my brush to kind of smooth the hairs out. And I just do this around the front of my hair. Again, just to give a natural effect to the look, since I'm going to be wearing a full wig. Okay, after that's all nice and smoothed out, I'm going to grab my wig cap and I'm going to go ahead and put it on over my entire head, with the exception of the baby hairs at the front. Now onto the wig. So first I'm going to be spraying some water. And that's an old leave-in conditioner bottle that I just fill it up with water and I use it regularly. So I'm going to spray some water on the wig. Just kind of use my hands to spread it around. And then I'm going to apply this wig. Now this wig has no combs, no clips, nothing. I was able to sew this hair right onto the wig cap and it stays on. I'm going to go ahead and just position it right to where I had my part, to where the wig is initially parted as well, just to kind of line it up so it looks and sits very naturally on my head. Now the trick with wigs is to make it look natural. What I always do, if I get maybe a synthetic or just whatever wig that I always have, I always put it on my head and I will cut it and I will play around with it just to have it frame my face. I rarely ever just leave a wig the way that it is after I've purchased it or after I've made it. I always find it looks more natural when I tame it and tease it and cut it just to frame the structure of my face. And what you see me applying there on my head is some Shea Miracle Curly Bouncy Pudding, just to make the curls pop and last longer, and this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and remember to love the mane you're in. Thanks for watching. Bye.